TopDocs is a platform for medical tourists to connect with a doctor abroad that they can trust, book their appointment and their travel, creating a seamless medical travel experience. We're new, we've just actually launched our MVP, and the reason why I started it is I've been in the medical tourism industry for 9 years, and what I've seen is there are a lot of facilitators or agents who can be unscrupulous and take advantage of the medical tourist. And the problem is that there's no trust and transparency in this industry. And what I wanted to do was digitise my experience over the last 9 years and help create an experience where the medical tourists can personalise their own travel. But if you're a medical tourist travelling to a completely different country, how do you know who's a doctor you can trust? How do you know about their medical background or if they're board certified? So what we want to do is digitise word of mouth referrals. And so with the platform, what we've done is we're creating a community where you can actually get a recommendation for a doctor, and that's so much more powerful than just trying to search for a doctor like in a marketplace, because how do you choose? So, in terms of the business side of the TopDocs, I've already contracted with 40 hospitals around the world. I already have relationships with doctors, so that side of it is no problem at all. My challenge is I've come from a traditional business background, not tech, so learning about the tech space, and then being in Southeast Asia, it's a lot more challenging here because the ecosystem is still young and the startup community is still young.
You mean Thailand?
Yes, yeah. So it's still becoming established, and my biggest challenge is trying to find tech talent here that are willing to join a startup. The industry that we're in, we're not exactly in travel and we're not exactly in health, with medical tourism. But the reason why we joined Amadeus Next is they are offering us access to leading travel technology, which is going to help differentiate us from our competitors. So for us, having access to this world-class technology enables us to test quickly, validate the idea, but also provides a personalised travel experience for the medical tourist. So we joined them to get access to their technology. More importantly, we joined because of the advisory and the mentorship that we get and the connections. Amadeus are in 195 different countries. This is going to be really valuable for us when we do scale in the future. We'll be able to do that quickly with Amadeus. With the way healthcare is now, and the baby boomers, and government spending less in infrastructure and healthcare, I think just people are going to they're taking more charge of their own health, and they want good quality healthcare at an affordable cost. So if they have to travel to another country to get that, they will.